So I'm not, and never really have been, much of a fancy pie guy. All those intricate lattice tops and that piped whipped cream is nice and all, but in my book, a well-made crust and a great filling are what really count. And that's probably why I've always been such a big fan of diner pies, those simple and delicious pies I used to get growing up in New Jersey, the diner capital of the country. So to pay my respect, I'm holding what you might call a tribute class to diner pies. And if this sounds like your kind of thing, you won't want to miss it. Now, depending where you grew up, diner pies might mean different flavors to you than they do to me. That said, we'll be making 3 pies that I think any diner would be proud to feature in their dessert case. The first is a brown sugar custard pie, rich and decadent with a scrumptious caramel flavor. I mean, don't you love the look of that tan custard and golden top? Now, of course, we're going to make a double-crusted fruit pie, either cherry or blueberry, and don't ever let anyone tell you that you can't make a fabulous fruit pie with frozen fruit. I'm going to show you how. Now, we'll top off this trio with a pie that lots of folks have heard about, but far fewer have ever made. It's called Shoofly Pie, and it's a Pennsylvania Dutch specialty with a crumb top and a fudgy molasses and brown sugar filling that's sensational. Now, I know that's a lot to cover, but we're going to fit it all in, and by the time we're done, you'll be 3 pies smarter and even more popular than you are now. And by the way, you'll also learn how to make my tender butter shortening crust too. So get signed up, the link is below, and don't forget, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.